Did you know that just 1 cup of tea can start cleansing your lungs and help you breathe easier within days? If you've been struggling with breathing issues, constant coughing, or feeling like your lungs are heavy and congested, what I'm about to share with you could completely change how you feel every single day. Before we dive into this incredible natural remedy, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, because this information could literally transform your breathing health, and I don't want you to miss any of our life-changing health tips. Your lungs are under attack every single day, and most people don't even realize it. Every breath you take brings in not just oxygen, but also pollution, dust, chemicals from cleaning products, smoke from cars, and countless other toxins that stick to your lung tissues. Think about it for just a moment. When was the last time you took a deep, satisfying breath without any discomfort? If you're like millions of people around the world, you probably can't remember. Your lungs are working overtime trying to filter out all these harmful substances, but they're getting overwhelmed and clogged up. This is exactly what happened to my friend Sarah. She lived in a busy city, worked in an office building with poor air quality, and noticed she was constantly clearing her throat and feeling short of breath, especially when climbing stairs. She tried everything from expensive air purifiers to prescription medications, but nothing seemed to give her the relief she desperately needed. She felt tired all the time because her body wasn't getting enough clean oxygen. Sound familiar? The truth is, your lungs have an amazing ability to heal and cleanse themselves, but they need the right support. And that's where this powerful natural tea comes in. This isn't just any ordinary tea. This is a carefully crafted blend that has been used for centuries to support respiratory health and help your lungs naturally detox and strengthen themselves. The secret lies in a combination of 3 incredible ingredients that work together like a powerful lung cleanse team. First, we have mullein leaf, which has been called nature's lung tonic. This remarkable herb helps break down mucus and phlegm that's been stuck in your airways for months or even years. It gently loosens everything up so your body can naturally expel the toxins that have been weighing your lungs down. The second ingredient is licorice root, and no, I'm not talking about the candy. Real licorice root is a powerful anti-inflammatory herb that soothes irritated lung tissues and helps reduce that constant urge to cough. It creates a protective coating in your respiratory system that helps heal damaged areas while preventing further irritation. The third and most important ingredient is eucalyptus leaf. This is where the magic really happens. Eucalyptus contains powerful compounds that act like a natural decongestant, opening up your airways and making it easier for your lungs to expel built-up toxins and mucus. When you drink this tea, you can literally feel your breathing becoming clearer and deeper. But here's what makes this lung detox remedy so special. Unlike harsh medications that can have side effects, this natural tea works gently with your body's own healing mechanisms. It doesn't just mask symptoms like many over-the-counter treatments do. Instead, it actually helps your lungs heal and become stronger over time. If you're finding this information helpful so far, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if you've ever tried using natural teas for your breathing health. Your engagement helps us reach more people who need this information. Now, let me tell you exactly how to make this powerful lung cleanse tea and how to use it for maximum results. You'll need 1 teaspoon of dried mullein leaf, 1 teaspoon of dried licorice root, and 1 teaspoon of dried eucalyptus leaf. You can find these ingredients at most health food stores or order them online. Make sure you're getting organic, high-quality herbs for the best results. Bring 2 cups of water to a boil, then reduce the heat and add your herbs. Let them simmer for about 10 minutes, then strain the tea through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth. The tea should have a pleasant, slightly sweet aroma with hints of mint from the eucalyptus. Drink 1 cup of this tea twice daily, preferably in the morning and evening, for the best lung detox benefits. Here's what you can expect when you start drinking this natural remedy regularly. Within the first few days, many people notice they're coughing up more mucus than usual. Don't worry, this is actually a good sign. It means the tea is working to loosen and expel the built-up toxins in your lungs. You might also notice that the mucus changes color as your body eliminates different types of pollutants and debris. After about a week of consistent use, you should start feeling a noticeable difference in your breathing. You'll be able to take deeper breaths without discomfort, and you might find that you have more energy throughout the day because your body is getting better oxygen circulation. Many people also report that their chronic cough starts to diminish significantly. By the end of the second week, your lung function should be noticeably improved. Climbing stairs won't leave you breathless, you'll sleep better at night because your airways are clearer, and you'll have that wonderful feeling of being able to fill your lungs completely with fresh, clean air. Remember Sarah, the friend I mentioned earlier? After just 3 weeks of drinking this tea daily, she told me it was like getting her life back. She could exercise again without feeling winded. Her constant throat clearing stopped, and she woke up each morning feeling refreshed instead of congested. The best part was that these improvements continued to get better the longer she used the tea. This natural lung detox tea is particularly beneficial for people who live in polluted cities, former smokers who want to heal their lung damage, people who work in dusty or chemical-filled environments, or anyone who simply wants to maintain optimal breathing health as they age. But I want to be completely honest with you about something important. While this tea is incredibly effective for supporting lung health and helping your body's natural detox processes, it's not a magic cure that works overnight. You need to be consistent and patient. Drink it daily, give your body time to heal, and combine it with other healthy lifestyle choices like avoiding polluted areas when possible and staying hydrated. Also, if you have serious respiratory conditions, chronic lung disease, or if you're taking prescription medications, please consult with your healthcare provider before adding this tea to your routine. Natural doesn't always mean it won't interact with other treatments, and your safety is the most important thing. The beautiful thing about natural remedies like this lung cleanse tea is that they work with your body instead of against it. You're not just treating symptoms, you're actually giving your lungs the tools they need to heal and become stronger. Your respiratory system will thank you, and you'll wonder why you didn't start taking care of your lung health sooner. If this video has opened your eyes to the power of natural lung detox remedies, I want you to take action right now. Subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest health tips that could change your life. Share this video with anyone you know who struggles with breathing issues, chronic coughing, or anyone who wants to protect their lung health naturally. Together, we can help more people discover these powerful natural solutions that have been helping people breathe better for centuries. Your lungs deserve the best care possible, and now you have the knowledge to give it to them. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your time. Take care of your health, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.